Hello, all right. I think we are live right now. So I will double check like if we are live. I'm not sure by the way. Yep, we are live. We're live. So I will start talking once I have more people online. So today I will talk about the market crash and how we can get rid of it, how we not to lose money on this kind of situation. So what is the best thing to do? I will listen to your advices and I will also share my stories what I actually do in this kind of situation. So having said that, guys, I will be waiting for more guys to join, more friends to join in. So I have one more person joined in. So guys, you can comment, you can write whatever you want, you can share your thoughts. I will be having a chat with all of you today. So I think I had a lot of messages having like everybody was like they are on average down 30% in their wallet and in their portfolio, I mean. So it's a little bit weird time frames, I can say, like unusual time to have this kind of unexpected market crash. So yeah, you can let me know. I still see that we have two persons online, five. Yep. So you can write down. So Mohammed Al Hamad is online. Oh, he said you're amazing. Well, Mohammed, thank you. My pleasure. You're amazing too. Thank you for joining the live. So I'll be reading out your comments. If you have any cryptos, I'll talk about first this crash, how we can get rid of it, and how where are we going next. So I'll be discussing all of it with you guys, so stay tuned. So at the moment of making the video, we are standing on with Bitcoin 48,870 AD. So right now the price is 48,500 on average. Then you can write whatever you want, guys. So if you want me to analyze or chart anything, you can write me. But let me start by saying that we have seen a market crash, and this is just because of few reasons. Number one, I can say, is Fed. So Fed is warning a lot of bulls about getting out of crypto bubble. They think crypto will have a lot more regulations coming, especially for bitcoins and other altcoins. There will be regulations. Next week there will be a lot of CEOs going to US to meet top officials, and they will discuss about more and more about cryptos. There are like a lot of news about new variant. That is also a reason. The new variant caused S&P and also S&P global in to fall down a bit, and that caused cryptocurrencies to fall down as well. And what should you do eventually in this time, in this situation, is just hold on. You should hold, don't get out of the market. You should stick in. So this is the best time. You should stick to the market, but you can have chill, or you can just go away from the market and come back after 1 or 2 weeks. You'll be really fine, believe me. At the beginning days of my investment, I used to check my wallets every day. I used to get nervous, and finally I decided not to get nervous, and I skipped it for a month, and when I came back, I saw my portfolio grow like almost more than 50%. So guys, having said that, you can write anything. I'll do charting for you. So here I have Sekotaya. So he or she said like how long approximately it could take to recover from this crash. I have 1000 euros to spend. How can you advise me? So okay, first I'll go with Sekotaya. He or she said like how long approximately it could take to recover from this crash. So I think it's not over. Finally, we will get some kind of decisions tomorrow when the stock market across Europe and US opens. So you will see more things are coming, more news. You will see more news, especially tomorrow when the market opens in US. If we have a rejection in the market, then you will see BTC drop even below. But we have some very optimistic news that our 200 days moving average, you can see 200 days DMA is acting as our strong support level, and also our 55-day moving average is staying above us and it's also acting as our support level. So we are in good position with BTC, and let's see how market acts, because this is uncertain time. You cannot do anything about this uncertainty. So it might approximately to meet, I think, like first half of January, but you will see some improvement after 25th. So you will start to see improvements on crypto market after 25th, especially for Crow coins and Bitcoins and other stuff. So yep, everything that will happen is with next 2 weeks, this week and next week. These 2 weeks are very important, so we should have a look at news and everything. But you don't want to take risk if you're new in it. I would advise just chill. Don't worry about it. Come back to your portfolio after one month or maybe 2 months. You will see we are still going towards upward direction at that time. So this is what you can do. But one advice would be, don't get out of the market, don't take your money back, because it's not going to zero. So that's my advice. So just chill, enjoy the time. And Andre, about he wants me to talk about Crow. So yeah, I will talk about CRO after this. So let me go to Crow. And before that, one guy, Mohammed, wants to know about, he has 1000 euros, how can he invest that? So Mohammed, there are a lot of good cryptos, tokens, whatever you can say, in the market. You will find plenty of good things. So you have to find the best which you think has a lot of use cases. For example, I can say for me is Crowcoin. I can say Mana, Decentral and Mana. These two has played really well for me. So I would say you wait till tomorrow, where till market opens, so then you can decide something. But you can, if I were to invest 1000 euros, I would have like invested first 200 today on Crow, and then maybe some on Mana, and then I will keep rest with me, because if market falls further, then I would like buy the dip again. So this is one kind of dip, I would say. And if we have one more in 40,000, when BTC it goes to 40,000, that will be nice. So let's move towards Andre's question about Crow coin. So let's analyze Crow. If you look at bigger time frame, we're looking good, but let's see how are we looking at smaller time frame. So smaller time frame, you can see, okay, I will change the colors. Other than that, I will get very so yeah. So here you can see our 200 days DMA is acting as support, and also our 55, it's same as BTC. Both are acting as our support. If you look at our indicators, MACD first. So I would say MACD is getting interconnected, but we are below zero level. That's one thing should be thinking about, and RS is also in the ground. So for anyone who wants to get into Crowcoin, you can see the volumes are down as well. So this might be the perfect opportunity to get into Crowcoin, because you might not get this kind of positions back ever again. So overall saying, let's see how well we are doing. We are still going with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, we'll eventually go up, but let's see. Especially for Crowcoin, we are getting rejected on 61 cents. You can see today we have rejections on 50. Yeah, we get rejection on 61. So now, right now, we are standing on 56. So for Crow, now is the best time to get into crow. So I would say if BTC starts moving up from tomorrow when the markets in the US and across Europe opens, I think that will be the uh, this time you should make some decision, you know. So Mohammed, how do you mean the market is open tomorrow? It's about US and Europe market. You should have a look on that. Like tomorrow is Monday, first day of the week, so market will be open. Then if there are like a lot of bulls, a lot of investors, then market will go up, and eventually it will lead Bitcoin to go up. Oh wow, I have the guy from Discord, Raj. Welcome to the live stream, Raj. Look at the BTC last year chart and compare the price. Yeah, I saw this message on Discord. Well, I'll have a look. BTC. So do you want me to go for shorter time period or longer? Which one do you want me to go in? So yeah, let's compare the price first. He meant like last year, from which direction, like which month specifically, so I can go there, Raj, so you can tell me about that. Which exact yeah, I saw that it's similar almost. I have to go to Discord for that, but let's see how it's similar. You mean this portion, right? Like early, beginning, weekly. Okay, so weekly range. So yeah. So yeah, weekly range, of course we are making higher highs in weekly base, and our, you can see that 55 days moving average is acting as our support over here. So this is really good. We bounce back from 55 days DMA, so you can see over here. So this is exact similar as you said. Yep, well done, Raj. So yeah, we had this impulsive move, and then we had higher highs. This is actually higher highs, guys, because if you consider this in the big picture, this is higher high because we crossed the resistance point. So yep, of course I see some similarities. So if you compare this as your swing high to swing low, then let's see what's happening over here. Yeah, weekly time frame seems logical, and it's actually answers everything to you. We bounce back from 2-3 position. Now we are heading back to 3-8. That means we are heading back to 50,000, but we have small resistance in it. So tomorrow, if we have some green candles, then we'll be bouncing back from this position. And let's see how we did last time. So that will answer everything. So let's look at the time first and then price range. The change in price range last time, it was okay, this was not clear. It was almost 83% from the swing high. So if you consider 83% from this direction, that means if it's similar, then we should go even, nah, not that deep. Okay, so we had like almost 70%, right? 76% pullback right now. So do you expect Bitcoin will get like 80% pullback that will lead us towards maybe 40,000? Yep. So if you look at here, we have strong support on 42,000, 43,000, 42,000. But yeah, I see that now it makes sense that we should bounce back from 42 to 43,000. Yeah, worst case scenario might be very bad, but of course if we lose 42, 43, then we are heading back to 34. I don't think that's happening, right? Yeah. So yeah, That could be the thing. And also moving average, look at this, 200 days DMA is way below. That is why I don't go with weekly charts. 200 days just falls down for us. If you look at our Ichimoku, let's see how it recovers. Okay, we're above the cloud. That's good. Okay, overall it seems normal. So this actually makes sense, because even though trend line doesn't actually mean anything, but yeah, this makes sense. We are actually above the cloud. If you go to weekly chart, this actually makes sense, and if we bounce back, we can eventually go towards higher highs. Well done, man. So physics say, do you think that it will be mostly red until March? No, I don't think. Pandemic lets us, supposedly, of course, but I don't think it will. There will be like till March we will be red. I think we'll be bouncing back very soon. Like from now we should bounce back. Like if tomorrow is green for the traders, like if I see more bulls tomorrow in US market, then I think of course like we will be bouncing back with Bitcoin for sure. But I thought like worst case scenario would be 40,000, because last time we hit around almost 39. So that, and also one good thing about Bitcoin is we did not hit the same position twice. So if you look at this position, this is something else, but before that we just hit at a one time just one position. So we will test this position again, maybe 43,000. We will test this position again, and slowly we will bounce back, I'm pretty sure. So if that's happening, then we have the like low over here. So this is the dip, actually dip. So you should relax if this is true. So we have Mohana who's saying that what do you think about Gala and Mana? Well, Gala is different, Mana is different, but I think both has a long time potential. And I believe, as I mentioned in every live, that I want to buy Gala node, and I want to try that, and I will share some videos with all of you guys. So yeah, Gala has a in long term it has more potentials than any other if you compare. And Mana, yeah, it depends on how metaverse does, but looking at everything projects, if you read the news and stuff, if you read about the project, you see more insights in metaverse projects. So I'm really hopeful with Mana. And let's see, Sam Aaron, hey bro, how is Luna looking? So let's go towards Luna. So having said that, guys, this live is just for saying how we are doing. We're doing fine. Just don't be sad. We will like bounce back very soon. This is part of life, part of game, everything. So we have this kind of lows, that is why we have highs as well. So Luna is doing good, because if you look at the volumes, you can see volumes are going up. We are going a little bit towards downward direction. We might see, yeah, we might see a pullback from 65, because we went towards almost how much? Almost 78. That means we crossed 786. Maybe we will bounce back from our golden position, 0.5, and then we will cross 618, 786. Maybe next target around $80 for Luna. If BTC doesn't get a slap tomorrow, then we're getting into 80 for sure. So yeah, Luna is looking good, but let's look at our RS and other stuff. Like I will turn off Ichimoku, so that's gonna be good. Okay, so RS is on 54. That means if we bounce back, we can actually reach towards that position. That's good for Luna, and let's look at our MACD lines. Okay, so MACD just got interconnected, so this is just because of the pullback. So let's see how much pullback we have. Best case would be we will be bouncing back from 0.5, and also 62. If we bounce back from 62, that is also possible. So both cases are possible. You can bounce back maybe from around 65 or around 61, 62. Both cases are possible, but overall it's uptrend. You can see we are having uptrend, and we're looking good with we're looking good with Luna. Let's go with the chat. Gadhi Tamim, ADA. Okay, I will talk about ADA. Did you cover GALA yet? Yeah, I did not, but I was just about to talk about GALA. And Mr. Duffy is back. Oh, nice to see you, Mr. Duffy. So, hey, my man, nice to see you live again today. Have you talked about Crow today? Well, I think I have covered Crow today, but yeah, as you're here, of course, why not? We can do it again as well. No problem with that. Okay, so here with Crow is looking good, man. So because you can see 200 days DMA over here, and also 55 days DMA, both are acting as our support. And if you go with RS index, you will see RS is on 38. We're not overbought. If you look at our MACD is also underground, so we're good. And also if we look at Ichimoku, I will not go with Ichimoku right now. And also let's see Fibonacci from here, you know, Fib retracement. So if you look at this position, we're getting rejected at 236, same as Bitcoin. We're getting rejected at 61, and tomorrow if stock market opens good in US, I think we are going to hit towards 70 easily. So if stock market goes well tomorrow, day after, or even this week, then we will easily hit towards 70 cents with Crow, because that is our average place to go, you know. So Crow coin is looking good, and the volumes are starting to grow. You can see over here volumes are growing. You saw the volumes were coming down, and now it's kind of growing. So you might see some divergence. You are seeing some divergence, so the movement will see change. You might see some movements towards upward direction. So yep, that's good. Okay, so this might seem stupid question, but when a coin go to all-time high and you sell out, okay, so I have to read out this comment of Mr. Duffy. So he asks, like, this may be a stupid question, but when a coin go to all-time high and you sell out, do you buy USDT coin something or pin to USD or any other cash out? Well, it depends, because I do a lot of things. For example, what I do is, first of all, if I find something good in crypto market that just had a pullback and starting to go up, I convert into that and I like try to swap. And in the other case, what I do is I convert into USDT and other stable coins. And the last case I do is when I'm sure that market will have a long-term pullback, then I do cash out, like this time I did when Bitcoin was starting to go down. I cashed out everything. That means that I know it's for something like long term, so I put the money away. So yeah, so this is how I go, because I have a specific plan. So if when you are like investing, so you should have like specific plan, so you should always go in that way. Like the best time is when we have this kind of strong pullbacks, you know. Best times are here, so we are right now standing in the best times. So what I do, I will invest over here. I will forget about my investments. I will come back in February and I will look at my wallet and I will be happy because I know it's going up at least 10%. So I'm not worried at all. It's all rumors I have seen before. This Lewis guy is saying that BTC is going towards how much, 10k, but about me, I don't think it's going to 10k. So these are all rumors. He said this back in September as well. Fed also said a lot of things back in last year, like March, April, and we thought in 2020 we thought like, okay, this new variant, new disease will wipe everything back in 2020 March, when stock market and crypto everything crashed together, but we bounced back very strong. So this is the same. The rumor is about new strain, new variant. So I don't know, man. We will bounce back. This kind of things happens in the market. Anything on Cosmos Atom? Yeah, Patrick, I will have a look on that. Do you think BAT is a good coin to open a short position or right now? Well, I'll look into BAT. I don't know about. Let's see BAT. Then we can see what's happening with those. And Fear and Greed, I was looking into it. It's on still 18, so still a good position to get into the market. So first let's see the Atom, Cosmos, and then we will go with BAT. Well, guys, what do you think about Avalanche? Let me know in the comments in the live chat that what do you think about Avalanche, because it has a long potential. I think like in long term it has a lot of use cases. I think this will survive till next crypto bubble, yeah, I'm saying crypto bubble because I think it will survive for sure. So Cosmos, 5 billion market cap we have right now, and the highest market cap we had was around 10 billion, so it's almost half. That means price is almost half. Yeah, you can see the price is almost down. So of course Cosmos is a very potential crypto, so if it's down 50% then obviously it's a good. Whoa, it's not even following BTC. What's happening with this one? So any news, like have you heard of any news from Cosmos that why it's going down or something? I see it's going down. The BTC moves are completely different, I guess. Yeah, BTC at least finding some support, but this dude is here not finding any support as well. So let's analyze the graph. We'll get the answer. So let it be the swing low. So this is what I can do right now. First let's check something else. Let's check our indicators, RS. Oh, Cosmos was doing this for a long time. Okay, so we are on 38 with daily RSI, and if you look at, oh man, what am I saying? We are on 38 with 4 hours RSI, and daily, I will check what daily is. Daily we are on same level, 38. So Cosmos is a good position right now. If somebody wants to get into Cosmos, we are getting into 200 days moving average. So you can see over here, whenever we went to 200 days, we went above 200 days moving average. So if Cosmos is here, if it's having like downtrend, strong downtrend, it's very risky, but I think like it will bounce back. It will bounce back from 23. So let's see how it acts tomorrow. I cannot say anything right now. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. But having said that, I would love to have some position over here from Cosmos. but I don't know about any recent news, recent article about Cosmos, so I cannot say anything. Overall, I have strong belief in this project, so yeah, it's good. So let's read out the comments. I will go with Bat after this, and Matic. Avalanche is a buy. Yeah, of course, Average. Avalanche is a buy. Right now, my favorite is Avalanche. Yeah, I have to look at Avalanche if it hasn't bottomed yet, but I think like it will skyrocket very soon. Right now it's on sale because it was going to hit like 150, almost $150, but because of recent BTC crashed, we went towards sale position. So yeah, what do you think about Gifto, buddy? Gifto. Okay, I'll have a look. Matic is above the cloud on the 4 hours. Good for a short term position. Okay, I will have a look on that. Matic, and also good work appreciated. D Jolly. Okay, thanks man. My pleasure. Jonathan, when it bottoms. Which one bottoms? Like Matic? Probably by 10k worth. Which one? About Bat? Matic? And also Paul, I am an expert when it comes to losing money. Man, don't say that. We all do that. Who knows better than Raj? If you join Discord, we have one genius guy, Raj. He always like shares, and also Prefs. These two guys always shares graphs and stuff. I always get excitement whenever I see in the morning. I wake up and I go to Discord, and I see these guys sharing graphs. Right, nice. So Patrick, thank you, my pleasure, guy. So Paul, I am an expert when it comes to losing money. Of course, we all do, man. I see a lot of cryptos in my portfolio which are down like maybe around 20%, not 20, like 10 to 20%. So I'm good with it, man. It will be okay. Within February, we'll bounce back, so don't worry. Okay, Sam Aaron, thanks for looking into Luna for me, bro. Love the love stream. Keep them coming, of course, my pleasure. So I'll go to Bat, Matic, and then Avalanche. Let's see how it's going. So let's see BTC first, how BTC acts right now. Wow. Dude. Mm-hmm. So I think like I won't go for short right now. So my because right now market doesn't seem like, market seems really volatile right now. So yeah, I would do like this. Market looks really volatile, so I will not go with shorts now. So I'm fine, man. I will wait still till tomorrow. I'll see what happens, because right now if I go, I know somebody will think like, yeah, this is my position, I will leverage and I'll do well. But I don't think, man, because tomorrow if market opens, something bad happens, or even like short term, I don't trust the market right now. So anything can happen. You can look at Bitcoin. If you go 15 minutes, that will answer this. See, this will answer everything. But yeah, of course, if you want to go in with shorts, you can. All right, so let's go to Matic. Am I looking the right graph? What's just happening right now in the market, guys? 2 hours ago, I saw everything was working just fine. Guys, do you have any questions? Like, you can ask me on the live chat, like whatever you want to say, you want to ask, anything you want. So you can write me. I will analyze for you whatever you want, like anything for you. So what? Are you kidding me? Why Matic is going down? Is it because of BTC? Okay. Any news on Matic, guys? So yeah, even though I think like it will bounce back from 1.96, yeah, let's see. Let's look at 1.96 position. If it goes down below it, then it will go where it will go. Yeah, it could go towards almost 178. I don't think it's going back. It's just having a small pullbacks. It will like push towards upward direction very soon, because if you look at our RS, I believe that RS is on 50. If it goes down, then RS will be almost reset. So 178 will be, if it goes 178, I will be the first person to get into Matic for sure, because like RS will be reset to 0. And also MACD, let's look at our MACD lines. Yeah, it will get connected very soon, I guess. So let's do like, let's see some in bigger time frame, because right now I should zoom out and see what's happening over here. All right, I see. Now I see what's happening over here. So guys, we are bouncing back from our 55 days. We might see worst case scenario, we might see like 170, 175 on 180, and then we go higher highs, because it's super bullish. Matic is at the moment super bullish. So yeah, Matic is doing good, don't worry about it. 170 is my buy position. If it goes below 1.80, I'll be the first person to get into Matic for sure. Okay, let's read out the comments. Paul, can you check Rarible? Yeah, of course, Paul. We'll check it for you. What does 2022 have in store for ADA? Well, we have to have a look at our graphs, and there has been some news about ADA, the security issues, so we'll have to look overall. Please look at the Squid Game token. I'm holding that. Does it has any potential? I hope for 200. Oh my god, really? Squid Game again? Dude. Really? Okay, let's go with this. What the heck? Squid Game. Okay, let's go with market cap, and let's see what's happening, because it seems like fake. Are you sure, man, you are in Squid Game? Are you sure, man? Look at the market cap. I see no market cap listed here. 24 hours volume. I don't know if it's like legit. Is it saying like 9,000? No, it's not saying 9,000. It's more than that. $65 million. Wow. I don't know, man. I have no idea what's going on with Squid Game. Just pure pump and dump. Okay, let's read out the comments and we'll get back to Squid Game and other things as well. Raj. So Jim here, is Sierra still a buy area? Yeah, I see. For me, it's a buy area. I will not go all in with Crow, but I will just leave my 20% inside Crow. I'll invest only 20% of my budget, and rest of 80 I will keep it with me, because market is uncertain. If I get more dips, I will be jumping in very soon. So BTC 44k is on the table. So yeah, we should retest our 44k, because other than that we have strong possibilities to go down even below that. So we should retest 44k. I just want to say I appreciate your work, dear Tyler, and I have been following since you few of us were watching you. Wow, your quick to the point videos are refreshing and easy to watch. Thanks, man. Thanks, Tyler. It means a lot to me and my pleasure. Jim, me too. So, Tyler, I believe this is a rug pull, and if anybody is losing money, just relax. I make smart decisions. If you cannot make any moves to migrate your loss and relax DCA on the way down, so back up as well. So it will back up, it must back up. So what I said, like, I will relax. I will, if I'm like down like almost 80% of my portfolio, I will be coming back again to my wallet to have a look in February. If not in February, then I will come back in April. So I'm cool with it. I have seen this past in the past, so I'm not worried at all. So it has been happening at the past days that you have seen. We had like bigger moves. Even we were down back in last year, like, I mean this year, but back in May I thought not me, but everybody thought July, May, June, July, everybody thought like BTC, the bubble just burst, everything's going down, like BTC is done with this. But all of a sudden we have this higher high. So I'm super optimistic. If we can bounce back from this position, guys, we can bounce back from here as well. So I'm not worried at all. Wow, Thomas bought like 1000 Matic, will sell only after 2025. That's good. But yeah, make wise decision. Like, one thing is, you should think about the project as well, because if it has a huge use cases, then it will last till 2025, and then you can make a good asset out of it. So yeah, so Jonathan, yeah, bat fell below the cloud on the 4 hours, so maybe not so good, but Matic is still interesting right now. Yeah, so 191, if we can bounce back from 190 from Matic, that's a good position for the shorts, guys. But with bat, I'm not interested. But this is not financial advice, just do whatever you like. So whales in crypto are orcas. They are killers, and they know what crypto represents to the financial system. Yeah, what I think, it will be listing as reserve currency, as I always mention, because you have unlimited circular supplies for USD or even euros, right? But you don't have unlimited circular supply for BTC and other cryptos, except meme coins. So yep, I have huge hope for cryptos. We need to be a little fish forming a giant school of fish. That nobody can mess with. Yeah, that is what I was thinking before. You know, when I was down back in June, I was down like so much because I thought this was the somewhere around was the dip, but we went little bit down. I just invested over here and I was panicking so much that this time everything is gone, because last time I didn't make it, and this time I'll be gone. But all of a sudden it started to move up. Then I had this confidence that, okay, this was just a rug pull by, this kind of uh, institutional investors. They actually look for this kind of stuffs. They actually buy the dip and they sells over somewhere around here, because they have box full of money. They have people who are analyzing the graphs full day, and it's not about like everyone is looking into graphs. They decide like what they will do. So they creates the FUD and everything, and we just have to catch them. That's the thing. We should know their plans ahead, because every time I see people are optimistic about cryptos that it's going to 80k, it goes towards 40k right now. So this just happened just within 2 months. We were optimistic about Bitcoin going to 80k, but it went down towards 40. But right now in the market there are rumors that we will go to 10k. So I'm sure now we will go to 80k for sure. So let's read the comments out. So Mohammed, he is GK, it's a scam. What is GK? JK? So you mean like Squid Game? Mohammed, Bepro, Richard, Avex. Hey, good day. Can you do analysis for Dogecoin on Mars? Yeah, of course. I would love to see Dogecoin on Mars. I was talking about AVEX bottoming. That was going to buy 10 grand, but BAT and Matic, I was asking about opening a short-term position. But I would say like AVEX is better. I don't know, to me it depends on you, but I would have gotten into AVEX. Do you believe in Shiba? No. Mohamed, I don't believe in Shiba. XRP almost going to, let's look at the lawsuit, then we can decide about the XRP. So yeah, let's see. Steven is saying that how much more do you think Sand, Mana and Engine will dip? Well, let's look at the graph, then we'll be sure about that. Steven, and joking about Squid Game. Oh yeah, I think Raj was joking about Squid Game. Yeah, I got the point now. I don't get jokes. I'm so bad on it, dude. So there was something that what we should do. There was some questions about some specific crypto. I forgot. Okay, that I forgot. You can write it down again. But let's see what is happening into the world right now. This is really interesting. So over here you can see inflation is like getting into out of control in Argentina. We have more than 52% inflation. We have inflation in Brazil, 10%. Venezuela, you all know about Venezuela. You will not talk about it. We have inflation of 15.75%. So it's so much. So also Nigeria, I see, and also we have North Korea, and we have Turkey over here. Yeah, we have Turkey, which Turkey is having 20%. Libya, Sudan, Georgia is having inflation. Uzbekistan. So these are the I guess developing countries. So developing countries are having, except Turkey. I think like Turkey is developed. So all the developing countries are starting to have inflation. I think US also has like 20% inflation rate, because they are printing so much money these days. They are buying the bonds. So, and these days what is happening in the US is really bad. I mean, like in financial wise, because a lot of rumors are in the market, and they're saying that everyone is saying we're gonna have inflation, but when everybody says we'll have inflation, that doesn't happen, because when we say we don't say, that happens at that time. Yeah, let's go to Dojel and Mars, Baypro. Okay, I have to look at Baypro, XRP. Do you think about Solana? So first, let's go to Dojel and Mars, then AVAX, Dogelan and Shiba. I have to talk to you guys about Dogelan Mars. Have you seen what happened with Dogelan Mars yesterday? Whale account got hacked, wallet was got hacked, and there was a lot of messy things happened from there. So yeah. So 55 days moving average, we have crossed our moving average, so we are like officially uh, bearish right now. We are having bearish trend, strong bearish trend, so it will go down somewhere very deep, I'm sure. Let's see. For example, if this is the swing high, then I guess, wow, if we fall down below 1056, then we can go towards 80 is possible, guys. I see. I cannot look at smaller fibs, but I would say like 80 is possible from here. We are having a strong downtrend, so Dojel and Mars is not looking good. I don't know for what reason, but having seen that, yeah, I see one more comment about Raj saying that dogs are done if it goes BTC goes to 40. I think the same. If you look at Shiba, it's also having a strong bearish movements, and it's like technically it's bearish. Same goes for Dogelan Mars. And one thing I don't understand about Dogelan is it's forking Dogecoin and it's acting as Shiba. And few days ago I saw it was going, Shiba was doing same as Bitcoin and it was following Shiba, so there were like some kind of connection. So I felt really bad about Dogelan Mars, and I don't see that kind of tweets these days. So what I would say, like Dogelan Mars and other meme coins, they don't have any use cases. So in this dip, you should utilize and you should invest your money on the project that has promises, that has a lot of use cases. So if you are investing something like meme coins which doesn't have any kind of use cases, then I think like you're throwing your money into the water. Because last time when I told you the story, like how I was able to get into Shiba, it's because it was around here when Dogecoin went up. So that was the time when meme coins were trending, and we were sure that this will skyrocket as well. So I sold somewhere around here after having two back to back, three back to back lower lows. So we had higher lows and then lower lows. So I was sure that we are going down. So I sold somewhere around here. Still, I made something. So I think like you guys are gambling who are playing with meme coins. I do not personally support meme coins. So yeah, XRP, yeah, Mohamed, XRP is like you have to look at the lawsuit and then you have to decide. Because I also had a lot of investments in XRP. I took everything out because it has been a long time. I needed that money, so I took it out. So that I feel bad. I felt bad. Yeah. Michael is talking about Solana. What do you think about Solana? Michael asked. So let's see what's happening with Solana. I heard Solana has some library bug or something, and there has been an issue with something. I have read about it somewhere, but I can't remember right now. Michael, so shorty, Dogecoin Mars is done. Joel, have you heard of the Digital Pound Foundation? Well, I have heard about it in somewhere in my we have some bots. So I have heard about this. Dogs are done for Raj. Okay, Julian. Hey man, can you chat a bit about Jasmine? Yeah, of course, Jasmine for sure. I'll go to Avex, CKB, and then Jasmine. Alex was talking about CKB, Nervous Network. Yeah, I will talk about that, and then I will go with this. Obed, what's up, guys? Welcome to the chat, Obed. And Matic is going back to 70 cents. 0.70. No, why would Matic go to 0.70? That's not right. You mean like 1.70? 1.70 is possible, but only 0.70, I don't think that's possible for Matic. So where we should go now? AVEX and then CKB. Let's go to AVEX. No, not here. This is saved. Let's see some shorter versions what is happening. We're constantly creating lower lows. So at this moment, is BTC doing the same thing? Okay. Yeah, it's like AVEX is following BTC, but I guess like where we were like about to touch 150 and now it's like almost half, so it's like 50% discount for AVEX Avalanche. So I am really bullish on Avalanche. If Bitcoins starts to go up, you will see all of a sudden AVEX will reach towards 110. So you can see over here volumes are going up. You can see volumes are going up. So yeah, I have high hopes for AVEX, and it's obviously one of the best projects to jump into. So you have to find a perfect dip for AVEX. I think this is the dip. I don't know. Let's see what happens with BTC, and then we can decide on that. But of course, I think this is the dip for today for AVEX. I should have get into it like at least 20% of my budget with AVEX. So yeah, I agree with Jonathan. The Matic will bounce off 196, worst case 170. Yeah, I see the same Matic bouncing back from 174 or 170s. Yeah, so but 70 cents, you're wrong. So why do you think that Matic will have such a big pullback? Do you know where is 70 cents, guys? For Matic, I cannot even find it over here. 70 cents. Well, I'm not saying anything, but look at this. We are like technically we're bullish. See, technically we're bullish, and yeah, just basics. Just go with the basics. See, we're bullish. We can hit around maybe, just blink of an eye, if you zoom out, you can just easily say we will hit around 170 worst case scenario, and then we will bounce back towards upward direction. But if it falls below 170, like maybe 150, you will sorry, if it falls below 150, it's like bearish, technically it's bearish. So yeah, so I don't think it's going to 70 cents. Okay, Obid is talking about FTT, Jonathan, engine coin, Raj, dollar is going up. Really? Let's see. Going up against euro or what? BTC, Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, let's see. Whoa, really? It's looking. I'm having some green candles. Let's see smaller time frames, smaller range, maybe 30 minutes range. 30 minutes range is looking good. Yep. Throwing fart, they have partnerships with Sand and Facebook. Matic was in a 7-month consolidation before it started testing 230 mark. But it's not going to correct at 70 cents. If I say that Matic is going to 70 cents, people will think like I'm mad, and they will start to hate me from tomorrow for sure. But I don't think it's going to 170. It's going to 1.70 worst case scenario, and it will bounce back from that position. So that's the best possible area where I should target, or you should target, guys. But yeah, everybody has their opinions. Let's see. We might see an inflation after Christmas time. Dude, Raj, I talked about it, about inflation. I don't think inflation is coming because, of course, we see the graph over here. We're having inflation in here, like these countries, developing countries, but we haven't seen inflation. But the amount of money US is printing right now, amounts of bonds they're buying, and amounts of bonds people are generating, so that's a concern. And I'm sure they will come up with something to regulate cryptocurrencies, to squeeze some money out of it, so they can make the economy better or stable, if they want to, like, do something with the inflation. So they will try to squeeze cryptocurrencies for sure. But I think all of this, it's just started. The bubble, inflation bubble, just started. Let's see where we head up, because this new variant, I don't think that it's going to be that bad, because if you look at the long term, I have studied about this variant, if you're listening to me, that the harder the virus is, like if this virus is like the strongest, it will not have that much uh, area of, how to say, like, it will not spread that much as we see like in the previous versions, right? If the versions are less harmful, then it's like moving in too fast, or like spreading too fast. But if it's like more harmful, like this variant, then it will not spread like too fast. So even if it is, we have taken the vaccinations. If somebody is taking the booster shot, I don't think we're in trouble. This is just a fad. So, but yeah, of course it can happen. I cannot deny anything can happen, because we are at the time of uncertainty, and I love uncertainty, because at that time is the best time where I buy stocks and cryptos and I make money. So yeah, so I'm good. Okay, so okay, Alex, I'll go with CKB, because this guy is telling me from a long time. I forgot about CKB, so I should get into it. Sorry, man, it's been a long day. Okay, so let's read out the comment, and I'll go directly into CKB. Ricardo, yeah, your thoughts on Babe Pro. Well, bro, I have to look at Babe Pro first. Let's see Babe Pro. So, yep, let's look at supplies and market cap. Is like $54 million market cap, right? Yeah. Well, if the market cap is low, the first thing I see is market cap, circular supply. If the market cap is low, like this crypto is extreme volatile, so I don't go further with it. So I cannot comment, but I would say like it's extremely volatile right now, so I won't suggest anyone to get into Pepro. So yeah. So Jonathan, here we say J as Y, and it's like Jonathan. So I don't know, should I say Jonathan or Jonathan? I did get into FX, and when I see where the price hits, when the markets open, Tom and I will definitely buy more FX, Luna, Matic, Gala, and four major hold positions. Of course, well, I'm looking into some cryptos as well. I got myself more Crow coins. I got myself Mana. I got myself more Polkadot. So right now I'm looking into AVAX. So of course I have few, but I would like to look into it furthermore before like I jump into it. So I have to make some kind of strategies, exit strategies for that. Crow and Engine are my favorite. Crow is my favorite too, Jonathan, and she is joking, of course. I think so. Lol, the best. And there are a lot of comments I should read. Ben, haha, nice, good plan. So follow the white rabbit. This guy is saying you will go broke. Who, me? Yeah, I don't know. I didn't get you. So Obed, Mana, and Sand are my children's college fund. Wow. Ben over here, how do we all feel about Crow, Mana, Sand? These all three, Mana and Crow, is on my top 5 list. Steve Dog, hey, oh, welcome back, Steve. We were missing you live again. Yeah, because that time the internet wasn't doing well because it was snowing heavily in my area. So yeah, so I came back again because I couldn't, like, I felt really bad about not completing the live. So Steve, I'm back. Yeah. Mike Horan, don't you know don't know you did live stream. Thank for all the videos. Oh, you don't know I do live stream. Yeah, I just started doing live stream because these days I see a lot of panic in the market, so I wanted to talk to people just to say don't panic, we will go up again, because I did the same kind of mistakes before and I don't want anyone to do it. So we just have to hodl. So what I would suggest to everyone, just hodl. We will be in a bear market. We are in a bear market right now, but if you zoom in, we're in bear market. If you look into long term, we're not in bear market. Just I'll show you. So before, I'll do CKB first and then I'll show you. So have you even entertained that possibility? Well, I will show you one more thing. You will be happy to see that. So I'll zoom out and I'll show you. I wonder if Crow will grow like BNB. Yeah, of course it will grow like BNB, but not like $600, but maybe around 60 highest. That's possible. Then it's just penny. It's like cents where we are buying right now. Live streams are fun. You have a nice relaxing voice, really. So yeah, live streams, I'm enjoying live streams these days. So yeah, thanks, my pleasure. Crow will have massive IMO. Yeah, of course, Crow will skyrocket to the moon, guys. Crow has a market cap too high to get price of BNB. Yeah, but I don't think it's going to market price of BNB like 600, but 60 would be good. They have more use cases. Yeah, that's the point, Steve. They have more use cases. Look at $1 billion of marketing budget. If I would even like own crypto.com, I won't dare to invest $1 billion in marketing budget. This was some insane crazy ideas, and the advertisement I'm seeing these days, dude. And Matt Damon, wow, I have to say, guys, this was amazing. So yeah, I'm going back to CKB, guys. So this Alex, he will be mad at me. I was like talking too much. So we got rejected on 618. That's okay. We couldn't go back upward. Yeah, we just broke out of the bearish trend. We were bullish. Bitcoin, we got influenced by Bitcoin, and right now we are just struggling ourselves in weekly basis. So over here, our 55 days saying that 200 days is not available due to this guy just started. So 55 days is on 0.016. Right now we are on 0.022. So we can fall down in this position 0.0179. If I get this position and bounce back, I would see like this as beautiful position for CKB. So I think worst case scenario, it will go towards 0.016 worst case, and after that we hopefully will bounce back if BTC does something good, otherwise whole market will crash. So yeah, everything depends on BTC, so you should have a look at BTC. So 4 hours range, if I look at, yeah, of course it's good. Graph looks good. Look at RS is grounded. Yeah, best time to get into CKB, 60 on weekly, and if you look at day range, also 40. So chillax, dude. So if you get into CKB right now in 1.6 or 1.7 position, you should like forget about your wallet and come back after 2 months and you see the magic. So yeah, that I can advise. So innovative same self ecosystem coins and metaverse coins hold the real hype and value currently in the market. So okay, so I wanted to ask you guys who are here who actually was investing back in 2070s. Is any one of you who are in the live right now, were you guys available in 2021? Sorry, not 2017 bubble. Were you guys investing at that time? Because I have to share one interesting thing that I have to share. So that will answer a lot of questions. So any of you who were present at that time, please raise your hand, because I have to show something really cool. So before that, let me read out the comment. Ben Fox Crow has Matt Damon. Yeah, of course. And Team America, Matt Damon. Yeah, VVS mining. What is your thought on that about that? Well, Mr. Duffy, I am not into VVS and I have decided not to talk about it because I was not convinced on VVS white paper. When I read it, I thought like this is somewhat dangerous for me, for my investments. That is why I didn't go there. I know it was built on Crow Smart Chain, but I don't want to go there because of the circular supply. I smell like SLP. My Filipino friends, I feel them, so I better not talk about VVS. I'm holding Matic, Mana and Crow at least until January. Maybe you extend till March, April would be better. Somebody was asking me if I'm the bull. No man, the follow the white rabbit. I'm just a normal guy sitting behind the computers and talking to everybody and relaxing, because this is the time of day. I want to chill, I want to enjoy this time and let the time go when it will be the time of, bull market. So like when everything will skyrocket to the moon, you will see that I disappeared and doing some other things, because I have a lot of things to do. I just want to get rid of this bear market right now. Crazy times. You should not look at your wallet every day. Just forget about it that you have invested. Come back in February, March, you will see some good things. So that is what I used to do. So Matic Mana Crow until January, maybe you can extend till March. Matt Damon was given a bag and he made money. White Rabbit, that's good. Staples Center now, Crypto Arena. Okay, F1 MMA sponsorship, Mad commercial, massive 2022 advertisement, 12% stake, freebies, also NFT gaming utilities. I wish I had more money. That is my question today. I was asking myself, like, should I go more on Crow, because I'm already 60% in with Crow coin. So if I don't know, I'm still deciding, but if it dips more, the first thing I'll do is I will go with Crow, and first I will look if I can hold this position till April at least. So yeah, we should consider at least April, so you will see something really good. So FTT Aaron, yeah, I was reading the comment for Aaron. Obed was saying like FTT is next, look at it please. FTT, yeah, sure. Another $100 mana. Robert, well, congrats. Ben, yes, I did. Smokey, so we have a new guy, Smokey. I'm new on this and I was thinking of giving crypto a go. Of course, you have entered the crypto world in a right time, man. You will have some gains and then you will be addicted on it like me. So for, yeah, yep, Alex, you're welcome. So for Smokey, yep, this is the best time to get into crypto, believe me. So Obed started 2020, so yep, that's good. But the crash scared me off and I sold off, although I did keep my Ethereum and engine. That's good, but whenever crash happens, the first rule is you shouldn't get out of market. You should leave everything in that. That is why we are saying keep your emergency money outside and then you invest, because you might have to leave that money for maybe 2 months, 3 months, you never know. So yep, you should not get out of the market. You should wait, patience, you will get rewarded for it. uh but sold my BTC, oh my god, really? It was so addictive, but now I'm back. That's good, that's good. I was going to get Crow. You think it will go to 5? Well, Crow, it depends on many factors. First of all, I think it has possibilities to go even further, but till March, April, I think my target is $2. If I'm getting into $2, I'm happy. So you have to eye for long term. So if you can eye for 5 years, definitely it's going to $5 or even more, because it's one of the top 10 exchanges. And if you're in this channel, I don't FOMO anything. I don't say that Ethereum is going towards 20,000. I don't FOMO, guys. I will say what it is. I will say if stablecoin is standing on $1, I will say $1. I don't say like stablecoin going to $2. I know about GN, but I'd never say about that, because I'm stick to reality. I've learned a lot, so from the past mistakes. So having said that, what I was saying about Ethereum, yeah, I've seen a lot of news these days about Ethereum going to 20k. So I have to talk to you guys about Ethereum going to 20k. You got into 2018, maybe you have seen XRP in the top. Right now you don't see that, right? So that means that you have to focus on some promising projects. You have to focus on something that has more use cases, otherwise these cryptos will disappear until next bull run, or even until next bubble period. So you have to believe in something. Okay, Ben Fox, thank you very much. Julian, can you heat up Jasmine real quick? Yeah, Julian, sorry I forgot. Let's go to Jasmine. Jasmine for Julian. Was it from Coinbase? No, Bittrex. Okay. Because Coinbase these days have messed up everything. I was doing Jasmine yesterday. Were you guys investing in GN last time? Do you guys know what is GN? What happened with GN? So with Julian, I'm into Jasmine. I will read out the comments, Julian, and I'll stick and I will do Jasmine real quick. So Aaron, think of crypto this way: 150 users, 50 million users. Internet have 150 million users in 1996. People call internet a fad. People call crypto a fad. Yeah, exact same thing when crypto came out. Just ask yourself a question: what do you think about NFT right now, right? What do you think about NFT? It's like a simple image JPG, right? A lot of people thinks the same back in 2003. A lot of people were thinking like, this is something joke, was made by some nerds, has no time to do anything, so they made up something. So yep. Steve, do you always stream on Sundays? No, man. It depends. Like, it depends on the mood. It depends on the dip. If market is going down, you will find me always online because it's hard to not to focus in your wallet. So yeah, still I'm down 10%. So yeah, if I would have like gotten out 1 month before, I would have had a massive gains. So I didn't because I thought like 77. I thought like at least 77. So that is why I didn't get out. And yeah, this was a complete. Some bulls. This was pre-made. This was not natural. This bearish movement was not natural. Somebody from insiders, some greedy leverage traders, some institutions, they messed it up. So yep, I think we are going to 77k and then I will sell. Crypto is a great long-term investments, Robert. Yeah, of course. If it becomes global asset, then why not? Reserved cryptocurrencies. I have a YouTube channel too and thinking of making some crypto. Yeah, all the best to you. Mr. Duffy, what is your favorite crypto app? Well, what is my favorite crypto app, or like DApp, or what do you mean? Like, what kind of crypto app? You mean exchanges, or like, what do you mean? So Julian, okay. So Steve, I love your videos and stream. Thank you very much, Steve. I see you on the lives on this kind of streams very often. Also in the comment section. I read all the comments in every videos, and I see Steve's commenting like in every video. So that's kind of good. So Ben Fox, so true. Every news article 2017 2018 was crypto is a bubble. Yeah, now they are saying, when CNBC, I remember they write something like crypto is going down, it goes up. When they write like it's going up, it's going down. It's like totally opposite. So what I do, I read their news first, and then I get some kind of ideas, and I do my own mindset, and then I go into the field. Julian, I feel you. I guess everyone was thinking that, yeah, you should find something, to, get away from your wallets. Still, that's not bad. I have, within my 100% of gains, I have lost only 10%. So I'm not like afraid. I lost only $100 on Dogecoin and made like 500 more bucks from Dogecoin, which went down recently. So I made money from that as well. So that's not bad. But I have to get rid of this time. I have to inform all of you that this is just part of the game, that everything goes down. That is why we go up and down. Life is like this kind of charts. It goes up and down. Same happens everywhere. It goes up and down. So yep, let's go with Jasmine. This guy will be really angry. So let's see some shorter time frames, so we will analyze it better. So Jasmine is hitting the ground. As I said yesterday, they have added circulation supply. Last time I confirmed it. Yeah, they have added circulation supply. Whenever Jasmine is going up, they are adding up something and it falls down. So Jasmine is not going above 18 cents. It's not going past like 18 cents. It has strong support, strong resistance on 18 cents. If you see like 200 days moving average, it's on 18 cents, and 55 days even lower, 15 cents. That means it's bad, very bad for Jasmine. Yeah, this is 12 cents. You can maximum expect 18 cents for Jasmine. Maybe 15 cents. You should be nervous about it. You can, like Jasmine, I don't feel good for long term, you know. Maybe it might hit like 25 cents all of a sudden, or even it might hit 33, but I'm not bullish on Jasmine. I don't think Jasmine will make it to the end run, you know. I'm more into like long-term projects, so I don't see Jasmine as long-term project, because look at this, man. It's having like strong resistance on this point. It's getting rejected on 2-3 positions. So if it goes past this position, let's do some magic over here. So if you see that it's moving past 17 cents, then you will have some hope, because if it can rally above 17 cents, then I think like it has opportunities, possibilities to go towards 26, or even like 36 maximum. But it has to first go towards 17 cents. So Jasmine would be a very beautiful position. Jasmine actually is in very beautiful position. If you trust in this project, I would definitely say like very beautiful position to get into Jasmine. So if I were bullish into Jasmine, like if I believed into Jasmine, I would have like gotten in this position. So but it depends on you. I don't see it like for the long term, so it depends on you. So let's read out some comments. Obey, he wants to know about FTT, and Robert is saying that if BTC makes a move up tomorrow, BTC will move. Well, you have to look at the whole week. If the whole week we don't make any bad moves, then we are good. What is your favorite crypto app to trade in? Well, I use like exchanges. I have my own wallets. I don't actually use that much of like crypto.com or Coinbase. I use very often for rare coins, but rare cryptos. But eventually, I have my own wallet, and I use like PancakeSwap or this kind of exchanges. Like I use like PancakeSwap and like other whatever like I can exchange it. So I use those platforms, but I rarely use like Coinbase and stuff. Yeah, crypto.com, I have I have the app, crypto.com app. So I have that because I use their card, and also I have staked as well. So that's also a reason I use that, and I have believe in that project. That is why I use crypto.com coin. Crow is like my one of my favorite, because I see like long-term possibilities and potentials that it can actually go somewhere where we will be proud of our investments. So I think it's a good investment. Yep, Julian, my pleasure. Thank you for joining the chat, Julian. So guys, you can write me in the comment section. I will try to read it for you. So yep. So guys, still no comment. Raj, BTC can't move. It has to retrace. Yeah, of course, it has to retest its position for sure. it has to retest, otherwise it's no point. It will come back to 45 maybe to retest, or even like 42 maybe, but it's looking good. The rally over here is looking good. We should rally up. That's the best thing I see, because these kind of moves are not organic. You see, this is like flash crash. It's like a big bull dumping all together, and we had nothing to do except just to see. So yep, let's see FTT. Yeah, I believe that before actual moon we will retest for sure. So FTT. So if you have any cryptos, you can ask. I will have a look, and together we will see what's happening. Well, let's see how FTT is doing over here. $43. Okay, the market cap looks healthy, and okay, 15 billion. No, what? Market cap is 6 billion, but okay, fully diluted market cap 6 billion. Yeah, that's right. So let's get back into the graph. Let's see FTT, how's it looking. Okay, FTT is looking good by far. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, so I think in bigger picture you can actually expect one more push towards upward direction for FTT. And if you look at our RS, I think it's grounded. Yep, RS is on 30, and if you look at MACD, it's also grounded. And if you look at our 200 days moving average, is with us. 55 days also 56. So yeah, everything looks good. I think this is one of the perfect position. I think this is beautiful position for FTT. It's looking good. It must have one more jump. FTT's look FTT is following like same as Bitcoin, I think. Yeah, the graph looks same as BTT. So sorry, Bitcoin, BTC. So I think it will have one more push towards upward direction. So I think it's good. Let's see if it falls down below. Oh, right now it's on 43, but if it falls below, if it falls below 25, then it's going back towards $7. But I don't see that. It has a strong market cap. I think it has the possibilities or like potential to reach towards $96. Yeah, FTT is looking good. I think, like, I meant not looking good. FTT is a good project. It has potential to reach 96 cents, and also in long term I see that this as a strong contender to other cryptos out there. Oops. Oh, my microphone broke down. Jeez, that's bad. All right, guys, I think like I have to end this I think I have to end this live stream over here because the microphone broke down. Wow, it's kind of sad. Yeah, it just fell down. So yeah, FTT in long term, I see possibilities. Yeah, microphone just fell down off my table. I got scared. Dude, sorry for this. So yep guys, I think I will be going. Microphone broke down and yeah, it's almost 12 o'clock here, and yep, I think you guys need to sleep as well. So having said that guys, it was my pleasure and I had a lot of fun talking to you guys, and none of this was of course financial advices. And yeah, let me catch you guys one more another day. It was my pleasure. So Jim, thanks again. Steve, yeah, I was scared as well. So Jim, thank you for staying with me in this live. Obed, thank you man for being here. Ben, my pleasure, thank you for coming. And also NLR man, also Crow bought out Mandalay Exchange. Yeah, that's good, Marlene. So yeah, Crow brought also Mandalay Exchange. That's good. That's good. So yep, Steve, thank you for staying with us. Yeah, I will fix the microphone. Obed, thank you. Jim, yeah, Jim, you can find the link in the description somewhere. I don't know, not in this one, but some other videos. You can join. Cecilia, thank you for being in this live. Thank you, Cecilia, and thank you, Mr. Duffy. Take care, Mohammed. Thank you. Good night. So, guys, it was my pleasure. Thank you very much for being with me. So, thank you and stay safe, stay healthy.